How to archive mails on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about how to keep your Gmail inbox clean and organized by archiving emails. Archiving is a fantastic way to declutter your inbox without permanently deleting emails. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's talk about what archiving actually means. When you archive an email, it moves out of your inbox. But don't worry, you can still search for and access these emails later. Archiving is perfect for emails you have dealt with but don't want to delete. Now let's talk about how can we archive emails on mobile. So, to do that, simply open the Gmail app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account. And once you are inside the Gmail, you can simply select the email by tapping and holding the email that you want to archive. Once you do that, a menu will appear on the top of the screen. Simply tap on the archive icon located on the top menu bar, and your mail will be archived and will be out of your sight. And there you have it. Archiving emails in Gmail is a breeze and great way to keep your inbox tidy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.